FlotasNet. In this video we are going to talk about the dashboard. We access it from the toolbar. The assets that will appear are the ones we choose in fleet selection. In the dashboard we will see the last location and the status of our fleet in real time. We distinguish two parts, the action bar and the central body. The following options appear in the action bar. Search allows you to filter by text, for example to search for a specific number plate. Action that can be applied to the selected vehicles. Ask position require the device for an update of the status and geographical position. Send message. If the vehicle has a screen or user interface, it allows you to send a message to it. Show and map. Access to the position of the fleet on the map. The previous actions are also accessible individually by right-clicking on the vehicle. View allows you to toggle between vehicle, operator or trailer dashboards. Period used to filter the assets that have had a communication during the previous day, the previous 2 days or the last week. Map allows you to open a map on the right side of the screen so that you can see the dashboard and the location of the vehicles on it at the same time. View in Google Earth exports a KML file with the location of the fleet that can be opened in external applications such as Google Earth. Here you can see and manage which page of the dashboard we are watching. Next to it is shown the number of selected vehicles. Then goes the last update status of the selected vehicles. Export to Excel enables the export of the dashboard to Excel. In the central body of the report, the information on the assets appears separated into columns. These columns can be customized by each user from My Profile Configuration section, where we can choose whether the different columns appear, as well as the possibility of sorting them. There is a large number of icons that show all the possible statuses. Leaving the mouse over the sign, we will see its description. Once we have seen the operation of the dashboard in detail, we are going to explain its usefulness with a couple of examples. We can see how bus 2 is moving in France at a speed of 97 km per hour and with the tank at 54.8% of its capacity. On the other hand, truck 2 is in motion and driven by Jordi, has 5 alarms. The speed is about 10 km per hour. It has 65% fuel left and has a total weight of 14,000 kilograms. In addition to all the information that we have shortly, we also have the following options. If we make double click on a vehicle, the detail of the control panel is displayed at the bottom with additional information. Vehicle. It allows to visualize a graphics of the sensorics associated to the vehicle for the last 24 hours. GPS speed is the speed calculated through the GPS system of the device. CAN speed is the speed that is collected directly through the vehicle's CAN bus. Engine indicates the status of the engine, whether it is working or stopped. In the case of the vehicle with temperature control equipment, it will additionally display the following information. Rear door indicates if the door is opened or closed. Compressor indicates if the compressor of the refrigeration equipment is working. Evaporator. It is a temperature sensor. In these graphics, we can see that the vehicle has started its activity around 8 o'clock in the morning. Also, we can see that as the refrigeration equipment is not running, the measured temperature is practically like the ambient temperature. Operator. The driving time is available for monitoring in case if the vehicle had the system connected to the digital tachographer. We can see that today this driver has been driving 8 hours and 43 minutes and he could drive up to 1 hour and 17 minutes more. In the graphics we can see that the driver has taken a break at several stops. On the right side we can see that the next daily break should start at 19 hours and 31 minutes. Route. It enables the visualization of the cartography in order to create a route, as well as to see the last 24 hours of the selected vehicle. In the upper bar, we have the same options as in the map. It we will see in the next videos. Button 24 hours. With it, we can see the route of the vehicle during the last day. It can be very useful when planning the following routes of the vehicle. Go to allows you to create a route to a destination. From route options, we can create a route with more details. Add waypoints, which can be established by the company itself or be selected directly on the map by clicking with the left mouse button on Add to Route, and then select if you want to avoid tolls or motorways, optimize points, and select the way to go. There is also the possibility to save the selected routes, as well as to send them. After that, click on Calculate to show the calculation on the screen. Messages. If the vehicle has a display enabled, the option Send Message can be used to send a message to the driver of the vehicle. FlotasNet, our solution for mobility management.